Hello and welcome back to the Dungeon Manual. I'm your host Rene, and today we are doing an unboxing video again. This time, one booster brick of the Sand and Stone set of the Icons of the Realms. I quickly unwrap the foil and then we will start. So I unwrap the foil and cut the tapes, so let's start, shall we? I'm excited as always. Ooh, that's a Naga. Spirit Naga, if I remember correctly. Yep, that's a Spirit Naga. I love these scales here. Okay, here we have a werebar with this nice hammer. Here it is a small little creature. This is a dust method. And what do we have here? Oh, our first rare mini. That's the Harpy. Number 35 of 43. So that's the first booster. First booster, first rare. Nice. So then let's go with the next one. And ooh, that's a 3D. I've recently got the Phoenix, so the 3D was a fire elemental that I was missing in my collection. And I was hoping to get one, and as you see, I got one. That's a swarm of insects, a beetle swarm. Now what do we have here? I think that's a UNT Brood Guard. Yeah, that's a UNT Brood Guard. And this seems like a mummy. You can't have enough mummies. And the fun thing about the mummy creatures, that's not so bad if they are bent, because there is bendings on this particular miniature will increase the uniqueness of the creature. Oh, this 3D looks so nice. Very cool. So, up to the next one. Booster number 3. That's the wrong way. Ooh, that's a bit bigger here. A camel. Very cool for some action in the desert. Ooh, that's a very heavy miniature here. What is it? It's a Negpa. Very interesting vulture-like creature. And what do we got here? Ooh, that's another rare one. That's a Medusa, 33 of 43. Medusa, very cool. And another petrifying monster, the Basilisk. Very cool. Suits together very well. So Medusa and the Basilisk. So almost halftime. Oh, it's shaking a bit. Have a look. Oh, that's Lamia or Lamia. I don't know. how that's exactly called. I knew I will butcher this name. And here we got, yeah, I know that's a priestess of Osibus. And here our first duplicate, UNT Brute Guard again. And this is a duplicate too, but a cool one. It's also a swarm of insects, this time wasps. Very cool for every encounter you can guess. Beetles and wasps, they are always and nearly everywhere. So, then, number 5. Halftime. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, that's a giant vulture. And another miniature on a large base, but it's only a medium creature. The Dimetrodon. Not sure. And ooh, that's a small one. That's a young Krusnik. Very sweet little creature. And here we got the Pteranodon. Small little dinosaur. 2 dinosaurs in one set, in one box. Very cool. Okay, then getting nearer and nearer to the end. Ooh, that's the genie. That's the water elemental, the air elemental for the Ifriti, like the Ifriti. It's on the same level. The genie is the wind genie. Sounds strange, but yeah, it's like that. And what do we got here? 2-headed dog. That's a death dog. And here, oh yeah, that's so cool. I like those miniatures. They are so cool with the coloring. Those are these violet fungus. Those are so cool with these violet color scheme. Very cool. And this is my first rust monster. Sweet little creature. It's not that strong, but it will be a bad day for Paladin. So, box number 7. So, that seems like a bullet. Yeah, that is a bullet. And what do we got here? That's also a priest of Osibus. And here we got a hyena. Cool little start for gnolls. And here we got a big earth elemental, the Galabdur. Yeah, sweet little creature. So, up to the last box. So, what are we gonna get? That's the wrong way. Oh yeah, I wanted this so badly. Gorthok. The Thunder Boar. Yeah. Look at those tusks. This is so crazy, this miniature. I wanted exactly this miniature so badly. And now I got it. Yeah. Good box. That's a basilisk. Another duplicate. And another duplicate. A mummy. But you can't have enough mummies. Especially for the higher level encounters. And then what we got here, that's a sweet little flying snake. I sit it down on Gorthok's head. Yeah, and those are all miniatures out of this brick. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more like that, so consider subscribing to the channel and share it with your friends. I appreciate your support and see you the next time. Bye!